Welcome to PaidToday, how to edit a pipeline. First thing you want to do is open up the pipeline list, CRM, on the left sidebar here, and click pipelines, and you'll see the list of your pipelines. Go ahead and choose the pipeline you wish to edit, and then you can go ahead and click the view button, click on the title of it, and then you can, from here, we can edit these steps if we'd like. So for, say I want to edit the title of this second step here, we'll go ahead and click on the down arrow, and we can go ahead and click edit step, and then we can change the name. And go ahead and choose OK. And now we've edited that. We can also drag this entire step over, and so everybody in it will also go, and now the second step is now the third step. And so if you need to reorganize your sales process, it's pretty easy to do. If you find a better flow or you make some changes in the way that you're running these pipelines, that's easy to do. If you want to delete an entire step, you'll want to make sure first to remove the contacts out of that step. So if I try to delete this right now, delete step, we can see that we have Fred in here, and he's got to go somewhere before I can remove this step completely. So I'll just drag him back over here, and then we can go ahead and click delete step. And now that step is completely gone, and then we can go ahead and add more in, vice versa. Go ahead and save that. And if you want to change the title of your pipeline, you can also do that from the options button here on the top right, and go edit pipeline title. And then we can say new title, and then go ahead and save it. And then if we go back to our pipelines list here, we can also see that the title has now been updated.